What's up, YouTube? We got double fin right now. Let me show y'all real quick. We got 2 fins outside. We got, white ball VQ. We got Pearl right here, VQ. Say what's up to my video.
Hi, YouTube. Damn, baby. How you feeling?
Yeah. What's up, guys? Do you know we got the GoPro mount on the back? Y'all see, it's our first video together. Yeah. Collab! Yeah. In the back. Any huh?
You gotta turn around like this, huh?
Yeah. Can't see it this way, but it's good.
Can't even see what I'm showing.
That's why you just gotta, you know what you're looking at once you just have it.
You know what you're looking at.
So yeah, 2 VQs. We both gotta clean our shit, but it's good. She looking at us. I don't know why she looking. I know you're looking. I know you're looking like that. But yeah, we in that big NOLA, y'all. Follow and follow. What you said? This is.
How you gonna do POVs if you can't turn the camera on?
Well, we got to edit it. Edit it, turn it around, flip it back. It's good.
I ain't doing that. Watch this.
I'm about to say, that's all you gotta do.
Turn that whole around. Like the POVs on, we're picking up loud.
Oh, you would just pause it? Like that, man. Oh, you don't got to do for mine. You could do like a double screen, I think. Yeah. Life 360. All right. Yeah, double VQ. Hold on. God damn. It's not loud or nothing, but it's something. My shit definitely not loud. A little Samsung. Just give us 5 minutes. All right, bye. Little POV for y'all. So guys, you see the g37xs? We are here. We about to get straight pipe. After straight pipe in the future, tune. We got White Boy Jake. We have with us.
I have no car.
And introduce yourself still.
Oh, my name is Deportation Cousin Tony.
Yeah, we gotta give our car straight pipe, guys. Yes! More than hey, my car! Guys. What's test one? Huh? I got one hand. Like how Nick be. This is exactly how Nick be. Hell no. Bitch, I'ma slide. Oh yeah! All right, bye bye.